Okay, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, basically I'm going to show you how to remix and loop an audio soundtrack or music. So basically, take a 1 minute song and extend that out to like 30 minutes and have it repeat on a loop over and over. In the previous video, I showed the long method, which is listening by ear. Now, that was a very difficult soundtrack. This soundtrack is not as complicated or complex. So I could do it by ear pretty fast, but I am going to show, the automatic newer technology way of doing it. That's called remixing. So let me get started. I'm going to create my new multi-track session here. So I already have the file destination. That's where I want it. And this is the soundtrack I'm doing. But I'm just going to rename it here the way I need to. Stream. The name of the soundtrack is Evil Laboratory. You're going to hear it here in a second. Let's say like extended OST. Copy that just in case. There you go. Session has been created. So it's multi-track, not waveform up here, but multi-track. So let me get my audio. It's an audio that I download the soundtrack. Evil Laboratory. Here it is. I might increase the bass on it. But here it is. I'm just going to drag it right in here. As you can see, it's 1 minute and 32 seconds. 1 minute and 32 seconds. Alright, so let me skip ahead a little bit. So there you go. That's it right there. Now I can do the remixing. So the clip is selected. If you go over here to the properties panel, you'll see remix. It may be closed. Open it up. Go to enable remix. Shouldn't take too long, depending on how long the song is. So there you go. Now I should be able to extend it. Now watch this. This is the quick and easy version. How to do it automatically. This is not by ear. So this is 1 minute 32 seconds. I like to at least do. Like 30 plus. Let's start with 30. Press enter. Look how quick that is. And so it goes in. And it finds different low. You can see these cuts right here. So that's where I looped it at right there. Let me zoom in a bit. See, like this little zigzag lines. That's where it's making the cuts for the loop. Here's another zigzag line. It's a complicated soundtrack, but I did find there's like one or two locations where I could loop it compared to the previous track. But that's a quick way to do it. So now I'm going to listen up to 2 minutes and let's listen to it and see if it sounds looped. But as you can see, there's a zigzag line there and there's a zigzag line right there. And let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, I think that's enough. That's badass, dude. Like this soundtrack, that's why I'm going to use it. Um, but I want to go to the end. I want to see, does it get the ending? It looks like it does. And that is the end. But one more thing that I'm probably going to do. I want to mess around with the bass, the bass. So I'll go up here to effects. This is extra. I'm just going to mess around with the soundtrack. Go to stereo imagery, central channel extractor. And let's do the bass. Bass. So it's at 10 dB, and I can control it here. Watch. I'll turn up the volume a little. Like 2. Hear that? It's lower, and I can increase the bass. Turn it off. Turn it on. Yeah, that's freaking amazing. There you go. That's how you do the automatic version, remixing the loop without doing it by ear. That's all this video is right here. So, I was thinking about doing something else, but I'll leave it there for right now. Maybe I'll make another video for something, for what I'm thinking about. Like clearing up the audio. Or maybe I'll add it on to the end here. But for now, thanks for watching. Now, one last thing. Obviously, the most important part. So again, I also increased the volume here into like 2 right there. So, oops, I removed my, there you go. Put that on 2. Listen to it one more time. Yep, there you go. Increase bass, increase bass. So, that's one last thing, obviously, the most important part. For those who don't know, go to export here, multi-track mix down. I could do the entire session. I think I'm just going to do selected clips for now. And I already have that. I have it MP3. Again, if you want the best audio quality, that'll be .wave, but the file will be larger. So for now, I'm just going to do MP3. Basically, wave is like a less compressed version of the audio. But I'm doing MP3. Do that, and then I'll go to... It's going to take a while. But basically, the MP3 file will go here. And, you know, like I have the Chinese temple extended like I did in the previous video. It'll say Evil Laboratory extended pretty much. But that's how I export the video. So thanks for watching.